provides emergency engine start power and charges devices during roadside battery failure situations. Today's video is about top 5 best car jump starter power bank that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Aimapow Car Jump Power Bank. This A40 car jump starter is a powerful and all-in-one emergency device designed for reliability and convenience. With an impressive 8,000 A peak current and 27,000 mAh capacity, it can easily start most 12V gasoline and diesel vehicles, even in extreme conditions. The 3-step operation is simple enough for beginners, making roadside emergencies less stressful. A standout feature is the built-in 160 psi air compressor, which supports fast and efficient tire inflation. With smart presets, auto shutoff, and multiple modes for cars, bikes, and more, it adds great versatility. The real-time 2.5-inch display makes monitoring pressure easy and accurate. The integrated LED light with steady, strobe, and SOS modes enhances safety during night emergencies or roadside repairs. Additionally, the 12-layer protection system ensures safe operation against common electrical risks like short circuits and overheating. Overall, this is a reliable, multifunctional emergency tool combining jump starting, tire inflation, and lighting in one compact device. Now our second product is BuTure VAC Car Jump Power Bank. This 10-in-1 jump starter is more than just a battery booster, it feels like a full roadside emergency kit in one compact device. With an 8,000 A peak current and force start capability, it's built to handle even fully dead batteries in extreme temperatures, which is a major relief during unexpected breakdowns. The integrated 160 psi air compressor is surprisingly fast and practical, with preset modes and auto shutoff that make tire inflation simple and safe. The smart display is clear and helpful, showing real-time pressure without guesswork. What stands out most is the versatility: jump starter, air pump, power bank, PD45W fast charging, and multiple LED emergency light modes all packed together. The 800 lumen light is genuinely useful for night repairs or roadside signaling. Safety features are extensive, including multiple protection systems and insulated gloves, which adds confidence during use. Overall, it's a strong all-in-one solution for drivers who want preparedness without carrying multiple separate tools. Our third product is Sharmeal Car Jump Power Bank. This 5,000 A jump starter is a compact yet powerful emergency tool designed for drivers who want reliability on the road. It can quickly start large engines up to 10.0L gas and 9.0L diesel, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, RVs, and even tractors. The step-by-step operation is straightforward, and the smart clamp indicators help ensure correct and safe connection before starting the vehicle. Beyond jump starting, it also works as a portable power bank with dual USB output, allowing you to charge phones, tablets, or other devices during travel or emergencies. Safety is well covered with 14 protection systems, including spark-proof and reverse polarity protection, which reduces the risk of user error. The integrated design feels secure and user-friendly. The built-in 800 lumen light with flashlight, strobe, and SOS modes is useful for night breakdowns or roadside emergencies. Overall, it's a practical, lightweight, and dependable backup device for everyday drivers. Now number 4, Joltekon Car Jump Power Bank. This 8-in-1 car jump starter is a compact but highly practical roadside emergency device that combines multiple tools into one unit. With a 4,500 A peak current and force start function, it can revive fully drained or low-voltage 12V batteries even in extreme temperatures, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and more. The added 150 psi air compressor is very convenient for quick tire inflation, featuring multiple modes, auto shutoff, and memory presets that help prevent overinflation. The smart display is easy to read and keeps battery and pressure information cleared. It also works as a portable power bank with USB-C output, ensuring your devices stay charged during emergencies or travel. The 500 lumen LED light with multiple modes, SOS, strobe, flashlight, warning, adds real safety value during night breakdowns. With 10 safety protections and a durable fireproof design, it feels secure and reliable. Overall, it's a solid all-in-one emergency tool for drivers. And our last choice is YaberAuto Car Jump Power Bank. This 10-in-1 car jump starter is a well-designed all-in-one emergency tool that combines power, safety, and convenience in a compact unit. With a strong 6,000 A peak current, it can easily start 12V vehicles up to 10.0L diesel, even in fully drained battery conditions using the force start function. That alone makes it highly reliable for roadside emergencies. The built-in 150 psi air compressor is practical for quick tire inflation, featuring multiple modes, auto shutoff, and a clear 3.3-inch LCD display for accurate real-time pressure monitoring. The 23,800 mAh power bank with USB and 150W DC output adds strong versatility for charging phones, tablets, and even small car devices. Safety is clearly a priority, with 10 protection systems plus insulated gloves for added security during handling. The 500 lumen emergency light with multiple modes is useful for night repairs or signaling. Overall, it's a complete roadside survival kit for drivers who want preparedness in one device. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.